and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be something that I have been wanting to do for a while and that Matt has wanted me to do for a while. I'm going to do a complete overhaul of all of William's toys. I'm going to clean up all of his toys, put together the pieces that go together, sort them out between toys that we want to save, toys that we want to keep, and toys that we want to donate, and organize them all and get ready for a new overload of toys this Christmas. So just for embarrassment's sake, I guess, just so that you can see what exactly the state of his toys looks like. It's not as bad as it could be, I guess, probably because he's still so young, but it's pretty bad, especially in the small house that we live in. But I'm going to show you all of his toys and then we'll get started. I don't know exactly how I'm going to do this. I don't know where I'm going to start. I guess I'll just kind of figure it out as I go. But yeah, let me show you the state of his room and my living room. So this is his room. As you can see, well, those are just pajamas. Those are not toys, so ignore that. I'll clean that up. But this is his room. That's a little Indian thing that he decorated at school. I don't know, I'm probably gonna end up keeping that for like dress up purposes, but all these toys are in the middle of the floor. Some toys have multiple pieces, and some toys that have multiple pieces, half of the pieces are in the living room, which I will show you that now. So here is my living room. It's, like I said, I mean, it's not as bad as some of the cleanups I've seen, but for the little tiny house that I live in, it's pretty bad, especially because I only have one son and he's only, what, almost 20 months old. And it's just, he's just got a lot of stuff. So I want to clean up all of his stuff and organize it all. I mean, I already told you all this. But yeah, this is something that I've wanted to do for a while, and I'm really looking forward to seeing how much I end up keeping. I do know I want to keep some of the good toys for another baby that I do plan on having in the future. Matt and I want to try again after I get done with school to have another baby. And we're also going to donate some toys as well. I'm not sure where I'm going to donate the toys to yet. If anybody has any ideas of good places to donate used toys from, tell me in the comments down below. I would love to know. I don't want to give them to just, you know, Goodwill, you know, where they'll be sold. I'd like to give them to somewhere where they'll actually give them to children that don't have many toys. So that's what I plan on doing with the toys that we're going to donate. I've babbled enough. I'm ready to get this started. This is a long time coming, and if I don't start now, I'll probably put it off for another couple of months. So let's go ahead and get started. I organized everything and I separated everything, and I will go ahead and show you what it looks like. So this is the little shelving unit in his room. I am not the best at organizing and like making things look really aesthetic and pretty. I'm not entirely sure how to make all that look pretty. So I'm just gonna leave it how it is. It's way better than it was. You can actually see the floor. That is a chocolate milk stain. And here are the things that I'm going to save / donate. So this first bin right here and those two things are going to get donated. I'm going to find the balls that go with both of those in that bucket or in that basket, and then I'm going to send all this stuff out to be donated, and the walker and then everything in that box is going to be saved for the next baby. In the living room, I just put a lot of the things that he plays with on a daily basis and things that he'll go in his room and play with. I just kind of left them in here. He really likes that horse. He really likes those, even though he gets really frustrated with it whenever he can't put the this on the little pole. He gets really frustrated. But I brought this out here because he really likes playing with that. There's, you know, these toys that he likes to play with. And then just a few things in there. There's really not that much in the living room because I'm pretty sure that, you know, whatever he goes in his room to find will end up out here anyway. I just don't know what it is that he will decide to bring in here, but whenever he does, it will stay in here until the next purge or until Christmas, whenever he gets a crap ton more toys, and they will all end up on the floor like they were. And then we'll be doing this all over again. But that is it. That's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and do so. And turn on the notifications so that you know anytime I upload a video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!